In this module, we're going to talk about a crucial form of the bill of materials, the sales bill of materials, or SBOM. A sales bill of material, or SBOM, is a comprehensive list of the components and items included in a product or service package that a company offers. SBOMs are created for three major reasons. The first is clarity and transparency. Sales bills of material provide customers with a clear breakdown of what is included in a product or a service package. The next reason is customer satisfaction. The SBOM helps in managing customer expectations by providing a detailed list of what they will receive. And finally, sales bills of material are created for sales process efficiency. This type of bill of materials facilitates the sales process by providing sales representatives with a clear understanding of a product's offering. One difference between a sales bill of material and other bills is that the sales bill of material provides details with regards to the finished product that can be seen in the sales phase of a product's life cycle. In a sales BOM, both the end item and all of the components will appear as separate items in the document. In addition to this, the parent item is always the only item listed as a sales item. The children or dependent requirements will be listed as sub-items of the parent item. A sales bill of material is an essential tool for businesses to effectively communicate products or service offerings to their customers. It provides transparency, clarity, and helps in managing customer expectations. And that's it. We'll see you in the next module.